Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbud don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. You have to start by remove your headphones from the charging case, and after that put it to the charging case and close the case. Now it should be disconnected, so open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case and check maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, sometimes it also depends, so let's open the application and the headphones should be connected. Here we go. Now go to the gestures and check did you have none here. So maybe it's because of that, and change it to something and check your earphones. Also, maybe you didn't click at the touch areas, so the touch area is located right here and right here at the right earbud, right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.